Hi again. So the things I agree with are the activities mentioned in part A about helping learners how to identify the topic, because I believe if learners do not understand the prompt well, or what is mentioned in the prompt, and the type of essay or writing they have to write, or even the number of paragraphs, what should be written in each paragraph, they will not get even an average band. So I believe if I am, as a learner, I read the prompt and I don't know how to analyze it well, I will not get any idea about what should be written in the essay and that, or in the writing, and that will let me lose a lot of grades, and that will let me make a lot of mistakes. So I like the activities, and I liked most the WH questions, because if we let learner like brainstorm ideas directed by these WH questions, and then they turn the ideas into an essay or a writing, then the number of mistakes will be somehow less, and the ideas will be more relevant and more like adequate to the prompt found found in the task. uh, I liked mostly, it's not just like I agree with, I like, as in all the other units, I like when we learners, I will consider us as learners here, share ideas that can be applied in the classroom. Okay, so what I disagree with, actually, it's not like I disagree, because the presenter mentioned two things. When we want to write the body paragraph, she mentioned the PI, which is point, illustration and explanation. Yes, point, illustration and explanation. In the sample, there was mentioned the illustration and then the example. She suggested that the example to be done before the illustration. Here, it's not, I will not say that I disagree, I just have a question about that. Will it be considered wrong if the writer or the learner starts with the explanation and then he gives the example? Because I do it in this way usually in our school context. I mean, for example, if I want the learner to write as a point, I do not advise, for example, parents to let their children watch TV after 10. Then they will give like an explanation about that. They will say, for example, 90% of studies done show blah 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 blah, that these children will have psychological issues, for example, and then they give an example. And the video that the presenter said, no, we have to do it just vice versa, the example and then the illustration. I just had a question about that. So, and thanks for everything.